Growing up in a family of lawyers, we had engaging dinner table conversations that were rarely quiet, and it sparked my interest in the law, but it also grew a respect for the law.
I teach a class called We the People. 2010, Grifan Cayce approached me and said that she had been a former student and was alumni of the program and would love to help.
The We the People program is a congressional competition where students learn the Constitution, current events, and relevant laws, and they are in a congressional hearing format, and they interact with judges who are oftentimes judges themselves or professors or attorneys, and the students have a 4-minute prepared remark for a question, and then they engage for 6 minutes in a debate with these judges.
She chose to come back to her community and make the community better. She puts countless hours into working with students to help them become educated, engaged citizens.
She participates as a member of the board of her Chamber of Commerce. She's a member of the Council for Civic Legal Education. She puts together community forums.
If I could sum up Grifan in a few words, I would say wicked smart, unbelievably passionate, an incredible role model for our students, very committed to things she believes in.
If I could sum up Miss Cayce in a sentence, I would say don't mess with her.
I think one thing that people don't know about Miss Cayce is that she's actually really funny while also being brutally honest.
I think she has a really good gauge of what students need to grow.
I'm motivated by a to-do list. I'm motivated by my husband and my daughter. If I've learned one thing in life, it is that you don't always get what you want, but more often than not, you do get what you need.
She genuinely believes that our country's future lies in educating young people about the Constitution, their responsibilities, as well as their rights under our form of government.
The need for civics education can't be underestimated. I think that the 2016 election cycle underscored for us how important it is that all of our constituents understand our government. They understand how to engage in a productive discussion about our government, that they understand the system and understand how to affect change that represents their own community's interests or their own specific interests.
The We the People program and Miss Cayce in general has really inspired me to further my path or my understanding of law. It actually is the reason why I'm going to be pursuing pre-law when I go to school in the fall. And I think that has a big deal to do with Miss Cayce, and definitely seeing a lawyer come into class and helping us and teaching us that case law and how the Constitution really works in day-to-day life and how current events impact us.
I've watched her touch and change students' lives throughout the years, and I am incredibly grateful to her and all she's done for me, for our students, for Tacoma High School, the community, and also the state as far as advocating for civic education. Thank you.